What's up, you guys? This is KittyCast, and today is a full circle moment because I have in my hands the Edgar Allan Poe mystery box. Oh, I said box weird. Mystery box part 2. If you don't already know, my first actual YouTube video that I uploaded was part 1, or box 1, if you will. Yeah, so this is a real full circle moment for me for getting the second box. This box was gifted to me by my boyfriend's mother, which was very sweet of her. And yeah, this is $75 US. And without further ado, I'm really excited to get into it. If you have never seen the first mystery box of Edgar Allan Poe, I'll leave a link down below to my video of me unboxing it. I'm wearing one of the shirts right now. It's one of my favorite Blackcraft cult mystery boxes I've ever purchased. And yeah, without further ado and rambling, let's just get into this baby. Okay, we got some spoilers. We're gonna move the stickers because they're always spoilers. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you haven't seen any Blackcraft cult mystery box unboxings, I always get a medium in men's because I like them baggy, so you can see the artwork a lot better. So this feels like a hoodie, and it says the Raven on it. A classic Edgar Allan Poe. It's beautiful, and it's a pullover. It's one of my favorite poems from Edgar Allan Poe, The Raven. I think it's like everybody's favorite, but still, this is really, really nice. Next is a t-shirt. Looks like the design on the box. Very nice, very nice. Spirit of the Dead. Ooh, I really like this. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So I believe this box just had a hoodie, 2 t-shirts, the collectible box, aka a box with a sticker on it, and some stickers. So let's go through the stickers. Generally speaking, all of the designs that are on the shirts and the hoodies are on the stickers. So of course we have this design that's on the box. We have this beautiful design, which I really, really like, especially that font right there. And we have the Raven. Can you focus? There we go. And yeah, I can't compare the 2 boxes, but I will say it is going to be one of my favorite boxes. I'll leave a playlist down below to all my Blackcraft cult mystery boxes if you are curious. And yeah, leave a comment down below your favorite Blackcraft cult mystery box or your favorite item from this box. I'd love to hear from you guys. And yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect. I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Bye.